Have you ever pondered what the future holds for us with the rapid advancement in AI technology? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, from tech enthusiasts to everyday people who are just starting to see the impact of AI in their daily lives. You see, we're on the cusp of a new era, an era where AI is not just a concept or a buzzword, but a tangible reality that's reshaping the world as we know it. But what exactly is AI? And how did we get here? In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its roots, its various forms, and the stages it goes through as it evolves. We'll be taking a look at the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, as well as exploring the concepts of weak AI, strong AI, artificial general intelligence, and artificial superintelligence. But we won't stop there. We'll also be discussing the challenges that come with AI, and the burning question on everyone's mind. Will AI destroy us? And finally, we'll be looking towards the future. What does the horizon hold for AI, and what can we expect in the years to come? So whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or someone who's just starting to dip their toes into the world of AI, this video is for you. It's a journey through time and technology, a journey that's as fascinating as it is enlightening. So strap in as we journey through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. It's going to be a ride like no other, and we can't wait to explore it with you. To understand artificial intelligence, we first need to comprehend the concept of intelligence itself. Intelligence, a term often used yet rarely defined, is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge. It's the capacity to adapt effectively to new situations, to comprehend complex ideas, and to engage with abstract reasoning. But intelligence isn't one-size-fits-all. It comes in various forms, each as unique and diverse as the individuals who possess them. Firstly, we have cognitive intelligence, which refers to our capacity to process information, apply knowledge, and manipulate our environment. It's what we typically measure with IQ tests, focusing on skills like problem-solving, reasoning, and memory. Then there's emotional intelligence, the ability to identify, use, understand, and manage emotions in positive ways. It's about empathy, self-regulation, and social skills, which are crucial in our daily interactions. Creative intelligence, on the other hand, is all about imagination. It's the ability to think outside the box, to see connections where others don't, and to come up with innovative solutions to problems. Lastly, we have practical intelligence, often referred to as street smarts. This type of intelligence is about adapting to everyday life, navigating complex situations, and solving real-world problems. Now, how do we measure intelligence? Traditionally, we've used IQ tests, which measure cognitive abilities. However, these tests have limitations as they don't account for other types of intelligence. Today, psychologists and neuroscientists use a variety of methods, including emotional intelligence tests and creativity assessments, to get a more holistic view of an individual's intelligence. Understanding intelligence is like trying to map out an intricate, multi-layered landscape. It's complex, diverse, and continuously evolving. However, this understanding provides us with the foundation to explore a more advanced concept: artificial intelligence. With this understanding of intelligence, we are now ready to delve into the realm of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence didn't just appear out of thin air. It has a rich history dating back to the mid-20th century. The concept of machines mimicking human intelligence was first introduced by the British polymath and computer science pioneer, Alan Turing. His work laid the foundation for what we now know as artificial intelligence. In the early 1950s, Turing proposed a simple test, now known as the Turing test, to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human's. This idea was groundbreaking at the time. It sparked a wave of interest in the possibility of creating machines capable of thinking like humans. The term artificial intelligence was officially born at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956. Attended by a group of computer scientists, including John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Alan Newell, this conference is often considered the birthplace of AI. McCarthy, who is widely recognized as the father of AI, defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. The 1960s and 70s saw AI research funded by the Department of Defense, leading to the development of systems that could mimic basic human reasoning, understand natural language, and even recognize patterns. These early AI systems were rule-based and operated under a set of pre-programmed instructions. However, it was only in the late 1990s and early 2000s that AI started to become a part of our daily lives. This was largely due to advancements in machine learning, a subset of AI, that allowed systems to learn from data, improve over time, and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. This was the dawn of a new era, an era of artificial intelligence. Now that we know where AI comes from, it's time to define what it actually is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field of study that seeks to create intelligent machines. But what does that mean exactly? At the core, AI is about building machines that can think and learn like humans. It's about simulating human intelligence processes in a machine, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, the acquisition of information, and rules for using that information. They include reasoning, using the rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions. They also include self-correction, the ability to refine methods and improve results over time. There are two main types of AI. Narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a narrow task, such as voice recognition, and general or strong AI, which performs any intellectual task that a human being can do. The ultimate goal of AI research is to create strong AI, but we're not quite there yet. AI serves many purposes, but one of its primary roles is to understand human speech. This is evident in the surge of voice-activated virtual assistants and chatbots we see today. AI is also tasked with interpreting complex data, including images, patterns, and trends. It's used in autonomous vehicles, in medical diagnosis, in online customer support, and so much more. But it's not just about copying human intelligence. AI also strives to do things that humans can't. It's about augmenting our abilities, helping us make sense of vast amounts of data, making predictions and decisions, and tackling complex problems that are beyond human capacity. So, why does AI matter? It's simple. AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from how we work to how we travel, communicate, and even how we make decisions. AI is not just a tech thing, it's a tool that can elevate human intelligence and capacity. Artificial intelligence, in essence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. A common question that arises is whether AI is truly intelligent or just mimicking intelligence. So, what exactly is the difference between artificial and real intelligence? Let's dive a little deeper. Human intelligence, or what we often refer to as real intelligence, is an inherently complex concept. It encompasses a variety of cognitive abilities such as reasoning, problem-solving, learning, and adaptation. But one crucial aspect that sets it apart is consciousness. This includes self-awareness, the ability to think about one's own thoughts, feelings, and experiences, and the ability to experience emotions. It's what allows us to understand, interpret, and navigate the world around us in a way that's uniquely human. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, does not possess consciousness. It might be able to process vast amounts of data, make predictions, learn from experience, and even mimic human-like behaviors. But at the end of the day, it's not truly aware of what it's doing. It doesn't understand the meaning or context behind its actions. It simply follows pre-programmed instructions or learns from patterns in data. So while AI can perform tasks that require intelligence, it's not intelligent in the same way humans are. It's like a highly skilled actor who can perfectly mimic a character's actions and emotions, but doesn't truly feel those emotions or understand the character's motivations. That being said, this doesn't diminish the value of AI. Its ability to process and analyze data at a scale far beyond human capabilities makes it an incredibly powerful tool. It's transforming industries, driving innovations, and opening up new possibilities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. But it's important to remember that AI is a tool created and controlled by humans. It reflects our understanding, our biases, and our goals. It's an extension of human intelligence, not a replacement. While AI can replicate many aspects of human intelligence, it lacks the consciousness that defines our understanding of true intelligence. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Let's delve into these three concepts to understand their similarities and differences. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the overarching concept that first sprang to life back in the mid-20th century, a dream of creating an artificial brain. In simple terms, AI is the science of making machines do things that would require intelligence if done by humans. It's the broadest way to think about advanced intelligent computations. Under the umbrella of AI, we have machine learning, a subset that kicked off around the 80s. It's all about knowledge and learning from experience. Machine learning is the practice of using algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make a determination or prediction about something. It's AI, but without the need to hard-code software routines with specific instructions to accomplish a particular task. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a subset of machine learning. It's the next evolution. It takes the concept of machine learning even further. It uses some ML techniques to solve real-world problems by tapping into neural networks that simulate human decision-making. Deep learning models are built using layers and layers of neural networks, and they automatically learn to represent data by training on a lot of examples. So, in essence, AI is the grand idea, the concept. Machine learning is the approach, the way to realize that grand idea. And deep learning is the cutting-edge tool that makes it all possible. All three of these concepts work together to create intelligent systems, but they each play distinct roles in this process. Artificial intelligence can be broadly classified into two types: weak AI and strong AI. Today, let's dive into the realm of weak AI. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is designed to perform a specific task. Unlike its counterpart, strong AI, weak AI doesn't have the ability to understand, apply knowledge, or think and reason like a human brain. It operates under a limited predefined range, focusing on a single, narrow task. Think about it like a specialist in a particular field. A heart surgeon, for instance, is an expert in heart surgeries but may not have the same expertise in neurology or orthopedics. Similarly, weak AI excels at the specific task it is programmed for, but it can't venture beyond its programming. A great example of weak AI is Apple's Siri. Siri can help you set alarms, send messages, or play your favorite music, but when asked about complex, out-of-scope questions, Siri might not be able to deliver. It's not that Siri is not intelligent, it's just that her intelligence is limited to a specific set of tasks. Another example is Google's search algorithms. They are excellent at fetching the most relevant results for your queries, but they can't help you write a novel or compose a symphony. They are designed to do one thing and one thing only, and they do it exceptionally well. Even though weak AI may seem, well, weak, it's far from insignificant. Weak AI technologies are embedded in many aspects of our daily lives, from email spam filters to recommendation algorithms on shopping websites. They may not mimic human intelligence in its entirety, but they do make our lives easier and more efficient. In conclusion, weak AI, while limited, has made significant contributions to our society. It may not have the ability to understand or reason like a human, but it excels in the task it is designed for, enhancing our experiences and making everyday tasks more manageable. While weak AI simulates human cognition, strong AI takes it a step further. Strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, goes beyond the capabilities of weak AI by not just simulating, but truly replicating human intelligence. Strong AI is designed to understand, learn, adapt, and implement knowledge in a way that's indistinguishable from a human mind. Where weak AI is limited to performing specific tasks, strong AI is versatile, capable of applying its intelligence to any problem, much like a human would. Just imagine a machine that can understand and learn from a piece of literature, then apply the insights gained to a completely unrelated field like scientific research. That's the promise of strong AI. It's a system that can comprehend complex ideas, learn from experience, make decisions, and even exhibit common sense. Potential applications for strong AI are virtually limitless, from advanced robotics to complex problem-solving in fields like climate science and healthcare. Strong AI could revolutionize the way we live and work. For instance, imagine a strong AI system that could analyze a patient's symptoms, medical history, and the latest research to diagnose diseases and suggest treatments. Or consider the potential of strong AI in education. A strong AI-powered tutor could adapt to each student's unique learning style, providing personalized instruction that maximizes learning efficiency. However, it's important to note that strong AI is still largely theoretical. While we've made significant strides in machine learning and weak AI, the development of a truly intelligent machine remains a distant goal. But let's not forget that many of the technologies we take for granted today were once the stuff of science fiction. Who knows? With the rapid pace of advancements in AI and machine learning, the realization of strong AI might be closer than we think. Strong AI, though still largely theoretical, could revolutionize our world in unimaginable ways. It's an exciting, albeit challenging frontier, and one that could redefine what it means to be intelligent. The development of AI can be broken down into 10 stages. First off, we have the conceptualization stage. This is the point where we conceive the idea of artificial intelligence, laying the theoretical groundwork for what AI could potentially achieve. Then we move on to the inception stage. Here we start the actual development of AI technology, translating our theoretical concepts into practical applications. Next is the experimentation stage, where we test our AI models, tweaking and refining them based on their performance. The fourth stage is propagation. At this point, AI technology starts to spread, being adopted in various industries and fields of study. Then we have the integration stage. Here, AI becomes a commonplace part of our everyday lives, integrated into our devices, homes, and workplaces. This leads us to the optimization stage, where we fine-tune AI systems for peak performance, making them more efficient and effective. Next, we reach the sophistication stage. Our AI systems are now advanced enough to learn and improve on their own without direct human intervention. The eighth stage is simulation. Here, AI can simulate human intelligence to a high degree, blurring the line between artificial and natural intelligence. Then we have the emulation stage, where AI can not only simulate but also emulate human intelligence, matching and even surpassing us in certain areas. Finally, we arrive at the transcendence stage. At this point, AI has the potential to surpass human intelligence in all areas, leading us into the realm of artificial superintelligence. These stages represent the ongoing evolution of AI, leading us towards a future where AI could surpass human intelligence. One of the ultimate goals of AI research is to achieve artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is a form of artificial intelligence that has the capacity to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks at a level equal to or beyond that of a human being. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks such as voice recognition or image processing, AGI would be capable of outperforming humans in most economically valuable work. Imagine an intelligence that can read a book, understand the concepts, apply them in a real-world scenario, create a poem, or even innovate a new technology. AGI could potentially do all of these things and more, given its ability to learn and adapt to new situations, just as a human would. However, AGI is not without its challenges. Developing an AI system with the same level of cognitive flexibility as a human requires a deep understanding of both artificial intelligence and human cognition. Furthermore, an AGI system would need to be capable of learning from a wide variety of inputs and applying its knowledge in novel ways. The implications of AGI for society are profound. On one hand, AGI could revolutionize industries, drive scientific breakthroughs, and improve quality of life. On the other hand, it raises ethical considerations, such as the potential for job displacement and the need for safeguards to prevent misuse. In the grand scheme of things, AGI is still a theoretical concept. While AI has made significant strides in recent years, the creation of a truly general intelligence remains a distant goal. However, the pursuit of AGI pushes the boundaries of what is possible and continues to drive innovation in the field of AI. AGI, capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can do, remains a theoretical concept, but its realization could change everything. Beyond AGI, there's a concept that's even more mind-boggling: artificial superintelligence. This isn't just a system that can play chess or recognize faces. We're talking about an entity that could potentially exceed human intelligence in practically every field. Imagine an entity that's not just smarter than any human, but smarter than the sum of all human intelligence combined. That, my friends, is the concept of artificial superintelligence. ASI doesn't just replicate human intelligence, it surpasses it, bringing about the potential for capabilities that we, as humans, might not even be able to comprehend. Consider this: the difference in intelligence between humans and other species on Earth has led to our dominance on this planet. Now, think about the implications if we were to create an entity that holds a similar intelligence gap over us. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? The potential capabilities of ASI are vast and varied, from solving complex global issues to making breakthroughs in fields we haven't even dreamt of yet. ASI could revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It could accelerate our technological development at an exponential rate, pushing boundaries beyond our wildest imaginations. But with great power comes great responsibility. The implications of ASI for society are both exciting and terrifying. On one hand, we have the promise of unprecedented progress. On the other hand, we face threats that are just as unprecedented. From ethical dilemmas to existential risks, the challenges posed by ASI are as vast as its potential. As we move towards this era of superintelligent machines, it's crucial that we tread carefully. We need to ensure that we're not just creating something powerful, but also something that benefits humanity. ASI, with its potential to outperform the brightest of human minds, presents both extraordinary opportunities and unprecedented challenges. As we continue this journey through the realm of AI, let's strive to harness this power responsibly, shaping a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also safe, ethical, and beneficial for all. Despite its immense potential, the development and implementation of AI come with several challenges. The path to a future where artificial intelligence plays a more significant role in our lives is not without its hurdles. Let's dive into some of these challenges. First off, we have ethical issues. AI systems, like any other technology, can be used for both good and bad, and it's this duality that presents a significant ethical challenge. For instance, AI can be used to improve healthcare and education, but it can also be weaponized or used to manipulate public opinion. How do we ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly? This question remains unanswered, and it's one of the fundamental challenges we face in the field of AI. Next up, we have job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it's likely that it will replace certain types of jobs, especially those that involve repetitive tasks. While this could increase productivity, it also raises concerns about job loss and income inequality. How do we navigate this shift in the job market? How do we ensure that workers who are displaced by AI have the opportunity to retrain and find new employment? These are critical questions that need to be addressed. Lastly, we have privacy concerns. AI systems often rely on large amounts of data to function effectively. This data can include sensitive information about individuals, raising concerns about privacy and data security. How do we balance the need for data with the need to protect individual privacy? Again, this is a complex challenge with no easy solutions. These challenges, ethical issues, job displacement, and privacy concerns, are just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other hurdles to overcome, including technical challenges, regulatory issues, and the risk of AI systems being used in ways that were not intended or foreseen. Addressing these challenges is crucial to ensure the responsible and beneficial use of AI. As we continue to develop and implement AI systems, we must keep these challenges front and center. By doing so, we can ensure that AI serves us rather than the other way around. The question of whether AI will become a threat to humanity is a topic of heated debate. Let's delve into the two sides of this coin, the optimists and the pessimists. On one side, we have the optimists who believe that AI is a tool, a creation of humanity. They argue that, like any tool, It can be used for good or ill, depending on the intentions of the user. They imagine a future where AI helps us solve some of our most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. They envision a world where AI takes over mundane tasks, freeing us to pursue creative and fulfilling lives. But on the other side of the coin, we find the pessimists. They worry about the possibility of AI surpassing human intelligence, a point often referred to as the singularity. They fear that once AI reaches this point, it could pose a threat to humanity. Their concerns are not just about malevolent AI, but also about AI that is simply indifferent to human welfare. They caution that an AI programmed to achieve a specific goal might do so in a way that harms us, if it's not explicitly programmed to value human safety and well-being. But it's not just a binary debate. There are those who sit somewhere in the middle, believing that AI has the potential for both great good and great harm. They argue that it's not about whether AI will destroy us, but how we can navigate its development to maximize the benefits and minimize the risks. And then there are those who argue that it's not AI itself we should be worried about, but how it's used. They point out that in the wrong hands, AI could be used to create powerful weapons or to infringe upon our privacy. The future of AI is uncertain, but it's clear that we need to approach it with caution and foresight. As we look forward, the possibilities of what AI can achieve are both exciting and daunting. Imagine a world where AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. It's not just about smart homes or self-driving cars anymore. We're talking about AI that can predict natural disasters with an accuracy we've never seen before, or AI that can find cures for diseases that have baffled us for centuries. Think about the impact on education. AI could create personalized learning plans for each student, taking into account their strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. It could make education more accessible, breaking down barriers related to geography, resources, and even physical disabilities. In the business world, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. It could automate tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their jobs. It could analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights and solutions that would take humans days or even weeks to figure out. But as we embrace this future, we must also consider the potential pitfalls. What happens when AI makes a mistake? Who is accountable? How do we ensure that AI is used for good and not for harm? These are questions that we must answer as we continue to develop and implement AI technologies. And let's not forget about the ethical considerations. As AI becomes more advanced, it's crucial that we have guidelines in place to ensure that it respects our privacy, our rights, and our values. This means creating a framework for AI ethics and making sure that it is enforced. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill. It's up to us to decide how we use it and to ensure that it benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. The future of AI holds immense promise, but it's up to us to harness its power responsibly. Now that we've taken a deep dive into the world of AI, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you intrigued by the potential of artificial intelligence? Perhaps you're captivated by how machine learning and deep learning are reshaping our world. Or maybe you're pondering the challenges that AI brings, from ethical dilemmas to the question of whether AI could ever surpass human intelligence. Could AI truly be a friend or a foe? As we navigate the uncharted waters of the AI revolution, your perspectives matter. Are you a tech enthusiast who's excited about the future, or a skeptic concerned about the implications? We invite you to join the conversation. Share your thoughts, your fears, your hopes, and your insights. Let's delve into these fascinating topics together, fostering a community where we can learn from each other and broaden our understanding of this transformative technology. Remember, the future of AI isn't just about technology, it's about people and how we choose to use this technology. So, what do you think? Enjoyed your journey into the AI Future Hub? Support us by click subscribe, hit like, share it around. Keep the future at your fingertips. Loop in, don't miss out.